Hey everybody, Charlie here with 3D. We recently took this cross-trek from LA to Moab. It was about 16 to 1700 miles round trip. We stopped at Arches National Park in Canyonlands. It's plastered with bugs, super filthy. We're gonna go through a really deep clean today. So we're gonna walk you through the entire process. So this product is ready to go. You just gotta spray it right out of the bottle. We also do have a gallon size. So for detailers that are doing a bunch of cars that have a lot of bugs, this is a really good product that you can actually dilute. So if the car does not have too much bugs on there, but you kind of want a little bit of a pre-rinse or a pre-soak for that area of the car, you can dilute this 4:1 and you'll have a pretty good product mix to be able to get going right away to get those bugs off the paint. The really cool thing about this is it's safe on all the surfaces of the front. So you can get it on the paint, on the clear coat, on the plastic parts, the emblem. It starts to activate right away. So you can see all the enzyme buildup, all the protein, all the guts. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna neutralize it with water like I said before. So we're simply just gonna rinse right off the surface. All right, you can see how effortless that was. All we needed was 3D bug remover and some water with a pressure washer. All the bugs are gone without having to scrub and agitate the surface, creating scratches and swirls in the paint.